Hey, this is Mr. Katzen, and I just want to help you through the registration process for Career Day. So first things first, you need to get to the Career Day website. Two options to get there. Number one, you should be a member of the Stuco information page, which is found on your Canvas dashboard. Click on the page here. Mrs. Emerson has put it in modules for us. Under Career Day, you find Career Day website. Click on Open Career Day website in a new window, and you should find the Career Day. One can also find the Career Day link by going to the high school webpage under logrog.net. Click on Parent Student Resources, and you will find Career Day here as well. So now that we've made it to Career Day, we're ready to start the process. I hope you've had an opportunity to look through the Students section right here at some of these session descriptions. Here you will find, firstly, links to all of the companies and individuals who have given their time and resources to support our Career Day. If you're interested in more information about any of the presenters, please click on one of these icons. Below this, you will see a color-coded section. This is a description of every session and presenter, what their title is, and who they represent. You'll notice it is color coordinated along with the Missouri Connections. This is to help support you as you identify your kind of career strengths and interests. Maybe you can help pair those, or we can help pair those with some of our presenters. So you'll find, for instance, business management in blue, or health sciences and services in red. So once you've looked through the schedule, go ahead and click up here at Students, and take you back to this page where you will click on Register for Career Day here. Now you are ready to begin the registration process. When you click here, it will take you to Sketch, the website. You will need to enter a password. So here's how it's going to work. On Thursday, November the 8th, at the beginning of Wildcat Nation time, all juniors and seniors will receive the password and a link to the Career Day website via their school Logrog student email. So please check your email. Half an hour later, freshmen and sophomore will also receive this password to be able to log into the website and register. But juniors and seniors will be first via email, sophomore and freshman second via email. So I'm going to enter the password to get into the website. And what I have here is the website. I can see the entire schedule before me, but I can't do anything until I sign up. If I have never participated in an LRHS Career Day, I need to sign up in the way I'm going to show you. In just a moment, I'll show you how to sign up if you participated in our 2016 Career Day. So I've never participated in Career Day. I'm ready to sign up. I need to click on Sign Up. Do not sign up with Facebook. You need to sign up with email, located right here. It is the only way that we can sign up with Sketch using your Logrog student Gmail. So click Sign Up with Email. And I'm ready to begin. I'm going to create a simple account using my student account. And you should also use your student account. Make sure I spell it correctly here. And I'm going to put in my name, and I'm going to create a password. Make sure they know I'm not a robot. I have to verify in the CAPTCHA some things, traffic lights. These are not always easy. If you mess up, it will give you another option. I'm going to verify. So now I have my student, Logrog student's email, my name, my password I created. I'm going to create an account. And now I'm in the registration process and I'm ready to begin. And all I need to do is click on Schedule. And I'm going to just click on the simple mode, and it shows me everything available for Career Day. One will notice the sessions begin at 8 a.m. And if one scrolls down, you see we have a lot of sessions, 8:45. Third session begins at 9:35. And the final and fourth session begins at 10:20 a.m. We will have a small break after the second session for some snacks for students we'll provide. But we need to begin our registration process. It's this easy. You'll notice right here, here is a session. It says limited seating. If you hover over any speaker during the 8 a.m. or any other time session, you'll notice it says limited capacity seats available. Most of our sessions are either 15, 20, or 25 seats. There are a few with only 10 seats available. You'll see a bio of the individual, in this case Jeffrey Johnson, instructor for electronic media productions at OTC, and you'll see a brief description of the presentation. Every one of these presentations have been loaded with this biographical material, and you will get a good idea of exactly what this presentation is about. So I'm going to begin my selections for my registration. I'm interested in accounting. I can only select one one presenter per session or time slot. So I see right here, my first one's been selected. Notice how all the other ones went down in appearance. I decided I don't want that one. I can deselect it and select a new one. So I'm going to go with insurance. All the other ones get lighter, which tells me I'm not allowed to select. If I click on another one, if I click on another one, it's going to tell me, sorry, you can't do that. You're only allowed one per time slot. So I have one at the 8 o'clock hour. Be sure you select all four. I'm going to select another one at 8:45. I'm going to select one more here at my third session. I decided I don't want to go to that one. I'm going to go to this one instead. And in my final session, I'm going to select this one. I now see right here, save to my schedule. I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And now I see my schedule as I scroll down. So here's my 8, 8:45, 9:35, 10:20, all of the sessions I want to participate in. I also have the option to print an email. I do not need to do either. We will have a paper copy available for everybody on November 16th, Friday morning, the day of Career Day. We will all gather at 7:30 a.m. in the big gym to pick up our registration information. We will have a paper copy of your 4 sessions that you selected, as well as a lanyard with your name on it. I can go here now to my inbox, and using your LogRog student inbox, you should have received a schedule confirmation. Here are all of the sessions that I signed up for. I can even click here to go back to view my schedule again. However, I'm done. I have all of my sessions available. Be sure you look through the sessions carefully because we've added several additional sessions over the last few days. If I'm interested in going back to sessions just to see if there's something I might have missed, I can do that. I can even click here on a specific topic. Say I'm really interested in industry and engineering. I can find a multiple number of different sessions available in my interest areas. But for now, I'm going to leave with just my schedule. I can hover over my icon, click on my schedule, and again brings me back. That's it. Again, no need to print, no need to email my schedule. I can email it back to myself if I want and receive another copy. But we'll have all of these available on the morning of Career Day. That's Friday, November 16th at 7:30 in the big gym we'll meet. So I'm going to go ahead and log out. I'm done. But let's say you participated in our 2016 Career Day. You may already have a LogRog student account in Sched. We don't delete those. You're just a member of Sched. Here's what we're going to do. Your initial process is the same. You'll have to put in a password to get into the registration website and unlock it. Once I unlock it, I'm ready to begin. If I know that I've never participated in Career Day or signed up to register, I'm going to go ahead and sign up just like the process was a moment ago. Click on Sign Up with Email and go through the process. However, I know I've registered before, so I'm going to go ahead and go to Login. And I'm going to log in with email. Do not use Facebook, but through Login, log in with email. And I'm going to enter my information. And I'm going to enter my password, click Login. But it tells me it's an invalid password. And many of us may have forgotten our password from Career Day 2016 if you participated. So here's all you need to do. We're going to click here and reset your password if you do not remember it. So we're going to reset password. And to do this, simply just need to enter your Gmail information. Click I'm not a robot, and then you're going to verify the traffic lights. So here we are verifying traffic lights, and I'm going to select each of those. And now it is going to send me an email. It says password reset email sent. So I'm going to go to my LogRog student email, and lo and behold, I get an email from Sched saying reset your Sched password. It tells me, hi, Cat Test, you've received a request. Just click here to reset. So I'm ready to reset. Right here in new password, I'm going to type in my new password. And I'm going to save password. And now I am ready to begin the registration process just like I'd shown a moment ago. I'm back in. Even though I already participated in Career Day in 2016, forgot my password, I was still able to, through the process I just showed you, reset my password, got an email, took just seconds to do. I'm going to go ahead and register for the sessions I want. I encourage you to look through all of these. There may be several you hadn't considered in the past as possibilities. We have numerous. I'm not sure what an online auto auction is, so I'm going to hover over this, pull up session information, the individual presenting, and I'm going to find something that I'm really interested in. And I'm going to click on my save to my Sched, and it shows me my 4 sessions that I registered for. I should receive an email, which I have, LRHS Career Day 2018. Click here, and it shows me the 4 sessions I signed up for. It shows me the room numbers. I can even come back in here if I need to. But again, no reason to print or email. We'll have all this available for you in the big gym at 7:30 the day of Career Day. You are ready to log out. You have registered for Career Day. Good luck.